Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off messages, notifications on Instagram. If you're tired of constantly being bombarded with notifications every time someone sends you a message on the app, then you've come to the right place. Follow these simple steps to take control of your notifications and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Once you're in the menu, tap on Notifications and then select Messages. Under the section titled Messages from Individual and Group Chat, you will see an option to toggle the notifications on or off. Simply select Off to stop receiving notifications for messages. And that's it. You've successfully turned off messages notifications on Instagram. Now you can enjoy scrolling through your feed without being constantly interrupted by notifications. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks.